2012 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, stability control, OnStar, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.